These paddle light switches are about the easiest, quickest light switches I have ever installed. And this light switch, it's genius. It is so DIY friendly. So let's get started. These new style paddle switches are just a dream to install. They're quick and they're fast and they're easy. Let me show you how this works. Unlike your older style paddle switches like this one right here, you have to strip that wire but create like a little hook to hook around your terminal screw here, and then you have a ground screw here on the back. And then you cinch it down with a screwdriver, and that's what secures the connection. Now our new light switch here, it's a much faster install. Now once you've got your wires stripped, it's time to install the switch. Now you want to open up these little levers. They just snap open like this. You got to use a little bit of force though. And on the opposite side, don't forget your ground. So we're going to open those 3 levers up, and now it's just time to insert our wires. There are 2 slots here. One says test, and then the other one is a much larger opening. This is where you want to insert your wire. You don't want to insert the wire in the test slot because that's for a tool to test the voltage. So we want to go right below it and insert your ground. And then you just snap the levers shut. That's it, folks. They're locked in, and they're locked in well. You can't pull those out. Now, if you do need to remove your wires, it's just as easy. You just have to pull up that lever and remove the wire. Now, these older switches, they do allow you to backstab, and the backstabbing is when you don't use the terminal screws. You just insert the wire into the slot and then push down, and then your wire is installed. Now, I've found backstabbing to be very unreliable if you don't have that lever to lock it into place. I never backstab with these older switches. I always use the terminal screw. But with this newer model here that locks the wire in place, I feel really confident about the connection. You know, I installed these new light switches throughout the ugly home, and we're remodeling the kitchen right now, and I installed them there as well. And I gotta tell you, it was so easy, it was effortless, really made the job go smoothly. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time. And if you want to learn how to install recessed lighting the easiest way possible, check out this video here.